How to change your activity status on Discord. Hello guys, today I will show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end. You go first guys and you open Discord. After this, when you open Discord, you will go here on your profile and open it. Then as you see here on settings or your profile, you will click on set status, and this is here you will change your activity status on Discord, and that's it. It will work with you if you change it. And that's it guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next video.